If you've ever stamped on a brown paper bag, you know that it's a little tricky to get a great impression. This step-by-step process can help. First, you will need a thick piece of cardstock, or anything of the sort that can fit inside your bag. You will then need your choice of stamp. In this video, we will show you how to use both a wood handle stamp and a self-inking stamp. Whenever you are stamping any project, always make sure you are stamping on a hard, flat surface. You will then take your bag and find the side that does not have the seam running along the middle of it. This should be the side you stamp on. Next, take your thick piece of cardstock and slide it inside of the bag, making sure you are sliding it above the side folds and making sure it's right beneath where you plan on stamping. By doing this, you are ensuring that none of the edges of brown paper bag that lie underneath where you are stamping can affect your impression. Now, if you are using a wood handle stamp, a key factor in making sure that you get a good stamped impression is to make sure your ink pad is properly inked. Too much or too little ink can make your image illegible. Tap your wood stamp into the ink pad until the die is fully covered. Line up your stamp and press down with enough pressure for 2 to 4 seconds. Make sure to practice stamping on a scrap piece of paper to get a good feel for it before applying the stamp to your project. For the self-inking stamps, you will follow the same general rules as the woods. Line up your stamp, press down with enough pressure, and hold for 2 to 4 seconds. When you are through with the stamping, pull the cardstock or whatever you had used inside the bag out, and you are finished.